Very good morning, students. Today we will be seeing type 3. So previously we have seen two forms. So far we have covered these formulas. Integral x power n dx. What is the formula for this? X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And in yesterday's class we have learned 1 by x dx. The formula is log x plus c. So in today's class we will be seeing type 3 formulas. So only two formulas are there in this. So integral e power x dx, e power x plus c, this is first formula, and second formula integral a power x dx. Formula will be a power x by log a plus c. So these are the two formulas in today's class. So let us see some questions regarding these two formulas. Example 2.17, evaluate integral e power x plus 7 by e power x dx. Answer: integral e power x plus 7 by e power x dx is equal to, so this can be written as individual denominator, that is e power x by e power x plus 7 by e power x dx. Now I can do integration separately. So e power x gets cancelled, integral dx plus 7 outside will come 1 by e power x dx. So integral dx will be x plus 7 e power x. We don't have any formula. Why? Because we have formula for e power x, we don't have any formula for 1 by e power x. So that can be written as e power minus x dx. So x plus 7 e power minus x integration is e power minus x only, but minus is there, so it will come as by minus 1 plus c. So this can be written as x minus 7 e power minus x plus c. Let us see next example. So example 2.18, evaluate integral 5 plus 5 e power 2x divided by e power x plus e power minus x dx. Let us see how to solve this. So integral 5 plus 5 e power x divided by e power x plus e power minus x dx is equals to, so in this numerator I can take 5 as common, so what will be left? 1 plus e power x divided by e power x plus, this can be written as 1 by e power x dx. So overall the LCM in the denominator will be 5, we can, 1 plus e power x divided by e power x into x will be 2x plus 1 by e power x dx. I have done LCM in the denominator. Now 5 we can take it outside, integral 1 plus e power x divided by, here it will, e power x will come up into e power x, in denominator e power 2x plus 1 dx. Okay, here the question is e power 2x, we have taken it as, okay, e power 2x. So this can be written as 5 integral e power 2x, okay. So e power 2x plus this 2 gets cancelled, 5 integral e power x dx. So integral of e power x is e power x plus c. Next, let us see another example. So example 2.19. So question, integral e power x plus 1 by e power x whole square dx. So how to solve this integrations here? Integral e power x plus 1 by e power x whole square dx. It is a plus b whole square formula. So this can be written as a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into e power x gets cancelled. So e2 into a into b value into dx. So this can be written as integral e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus 2 dx. So we can write individual integrals e power x 2x plus integral e power minus 2x dx plus 2 integral dx. So integral e power 2x formula is e power 2x by 2. See, we have learned integral e power x formula. Whatever extra is there for x, just write it in denominator. Plus e power minus 2x by minus 2 plus 2x plus c. Let us see some exercise questions. Exercise 2.3. First question. E power x log a plus e power a log a minus e power n log x. We need to do integration of this. Integral, here it is, dx. This is the question actually. Okay, we have to do integration of this. So for this we have one formula, very important. Integral e power log of x to the base e, x power m to the base e. Answer will be x power m. Okay. If wherever you see, no need of integration here, wherever we see this type of case, we can write directly this power, whatever that x power m is there, we can write directly. So e power log. For log, if we don't find any base, we can treat it as e. So that can be written as x power m. Whatever that x power m is there, the same we can write it as the answer. So we are not doing any integration, just I'm saying in place of this, we can write like this. Now if you observe our question, see our question here. Integral log front side, whatever it is there, that can be taken into the powers of the way, whatever the number if it is there. For example, if I am writing 2 log 3, this can be written as log 3 square. Means whatever that coefficient of log is there, that can be written as power of this number or a variable, whatever it is there. So here what we can write here, e power log a power x plus e power log a power a minus e log x power m dx. So this is the case that is there. So I said that here log now base means we can treat it as e. So in that case, what is it? Only the powers. So here a power x plus a power a minus x power m dx. So very important formula this one, okay? Now what we can write here, see. So integral, we will do separate integrations here. So integral a power x dx plus integral a power a dx minus integral x power n dx. Integral a power x formula is a power x by log a plus a power a integral is a power a only. It is a constant, so a power a into x minus x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. This will be the answer. Next, let us see another question. So we will be seeing the second question now. Same exercise. A power x minus e power x log b divided by e power x log a into b power x. So question is integral, integration, integrate, okay? All the chapter, total chapter is integration only. So integral a power x, let it be here e power log b power x we can write. and here we can put the base as e, by e power log, we can write it here a power x, here base e into b power x. We can write it as into b power x here dx. So this overall it will become it as b power x. So a power x minus b power x divided by, this also will become it as a power x into b power x dx. Now I can write the denominator individually, that is integral a power x by a power x b power x minus b power x by a power x b power x dx. So a power x gets cancelled here, b power x gets cancelled, integral 1 by b power x dx minus integral 1 by a power x dx. 1 by b power x can be written as b power minus x dx, a power minus x dx. So b power minus x by log b minus a power minus x by log a plus c. So this can be written as 1 by b log b, b power x log b minus 1 by a power x log a plus c. Next, let us see another question. So question number 4. Question number 4, okay. Question number 5 is e power 3x plus e power 5x divided by e power x plus e power minus x. So integration. Question is integration. Answer. Integral e power 3x we can take common. So what is left? Integral e power 2x divided by e power x plus 1 by e power x dx. So the LCM is e power x here. Integral e power 3x into 1 plus e power 2x divided by e power 2x plus 1 by e power x dx. So this will get cancelled, this will go upside. So that can be written as integral e power 3x into e power x dx. E power 4x dx. E power 4x integration is e power 4x by 4 plus c. So these are the type 3. Now let us see type 4 formulas. Type 4, first formula, integral sin x dx minus cos x plus c. Integral cos x dx sin x plus c. Integral secant square x dx tan x plus c. Integral cosecant square x dx minus cot x plus c. So these are the 4 formulas. So let us do some questions regarding these 4 types. Okay, question number, example 2.20. Example 2.20. So the question is integral 2 sin x minus 5 cos x dx. Okay. So answer, integral 2 sin x dx minus 5 cos x dx. I am writing integral separate. So 2 is, since it is a numerical, we can take outside. So integral sin x dx minus 5 integral cos x dx. What is the integration of sin? Cos x minus cos x dx. Integration of cos sin x plus c. Next question. example 2.21. Example 2.21. Evaluate integral sin square x dx. Okay, look at here. Sin square x. Sin square x, we have formula that we have to remember. Cos 2x can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square x. For another words, I'll show you like this. So what is the formula for cos 2x? Means cos square x minus sin square x. Okay. So this is the formula. Now here cos square, I can substitute like this, but again we will have again square. That's the reason. So cos square x can be written as 1 minus sin square x minus sin square x. So it will become 1 minus 2 sin square x. This is cos 2x. So I want 2 sin square x, that is 1 minus cos 2x. So what is the formula for sin square x? In terms of cos, it is 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So remember this formula. Now let us apply this integration now. So integral, now we will replace this, it will become 1 minus cos 2x by 2 dx. So this can be written as individually 1 by 2 dx minus integral cos 2x by 2 dx. So 1 by 2 is a numerical that can be taken outside, integral dx minus, here also 1 by 2 is numerical, we can take outside cos 2x dx. So 1 by 2x minus 1 by 2, it will become sin 2x. Since 2 is extra, it will become by 2 plus c.